Kistler's piezoresistive absolute pressure sensors offer precise and reliable measurements in numerous applications, from gas exchange analysis to hydraulic measurement. Whether ultra-compact, water-cooled, or high-pressure resistant, they guarantee maximum performance and the highest accuracy in every measurement task. Before installation, make sure that all necessary tools and equipment are readily available. When unpacking, check that the sensor and cable are in perfect condition. Check the mounting board before installation. The sealing surface must be clean and undamaged. Carefully insert the sensor into the bore. This will prevent damage to the threads and sealing surface. Always rotate the cable during installation to prevent kinking or twisting. Tighten the sensor using a torque wrench. Refer to the data sheet for the correct tightening torque. In high-temperature environments, permanent cooling of the sensor is required to prevent overheating and damage to the sensor. Connect the hoses to the cooling tubes. Connect one hose to the supply manifold and the other to the return manifold. For efficient cooling of the sensors, the use of a Kistler temperature control unit is recommended. Connect the sensor to a Kistler piezoresistive amplifier. To ensure accurate measurements, perform a zero-point adjustment. When the correction is performed with sensors at operating temperature, both mounting-related and thermally induced measurement deviations are significantly minimized. The sensor is now ready for operation and delivers highly precise measurement results with maximum data quality. To remove the sensor, loosen it with a wrench and then carefully unscrew it by hand. Always rotate the cable as you unscrew it to avoid damage. Inspect the sensor and cable for deposits or visible damage. Clean any deposits with a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol. Dry the sensor and then store it appropriately, ready for next use. Kistler recommends having sensors regularly checked and calibrated in one of our tech centers to ensure consistently precise and reliable measurement results.